This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracy Young. Just listed. Beachfront Martinique offering a beautiful bay view from this 8th floor unit. Open floor plan offering sliding glass doors on your screened balcony to allow the option to enjoy this area with air conditioning or just open with the Gulf breezes. Nicely updated with granite kitchen, new washer and amp, dryer, updated bathrooms, newer air conditioner and amp, water heater and amp, available furnished and amp, ready to go. Walk out your front door and be right on the beach with private beach access, a pool and plenty of other amenities available. Shared with only 36 residents. Walking distance to the Venetian Village shops and amp, restaurants and minutes to 5th Avenue where you will find more dining and entertainment. Gulf Shore is one of the most desirable communities to call home. No leasing and amp, no pets in this building. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Young at 239-209-7511.